Welcome to Creality Pika 3D Scanner. In this video, we will introduce the unboxing contents and demonstrate the basic scanning process. Please remove the screen protector to ensure a better viewing experience. Before scanning, make sure to remove the protective film from the scanner lens. Leaving the film attached may affect scanning accuracy and the final scan results. A click sound indicates that the battery has been installed successfully. If the battery level is below 20% or the scanner cannot be powered on, please fully charge the device for a better user experience. Insert the power cable into the port on the right side of the scanner to start charging. Make sure the current connection mode is set to Wi-Fi connection, then connect the device. Open your phone's Wi-Fi settings and connect to the corresponding scanner Wi-Fi network. After the connection is successful, open the Creality Scan app. On the Pika device page, you can view the device status and quickly access related operations through the function buttons. Make sure the current scanning mode is set to blue laser. Tap Start to begin scanning. Move the scanner around the object to capture the complete surface. When the scanned area turns dark blue, it indicates good scan quality. Tap Complete to finish scanning and enter the post-processing page. Tap Fusion. A smaller resolution provides more detailed results, but requires a longer processing time. Tap Apply to start Fusion. Tap Mesh. A higher number of triangles creates a finer mesh, but also increases the saved file size. Tap Apply to start meshing. Tap Edit to trim and refine model details. Next, we will demonstrate mobile infrared scanning, which is suitable for portable outdoor scanning. In environments with strong lighting conditions, please install the NIR filters before scanning. There is a wrist strap hole on the lower right side of the scanner. Please insert the wrist strap through the hole to help prevent the scanner from accidentally dropping. First, create a new project, then select Infrared, Normal, Medium, Texture mode to start scanning. Tap Start to begin scanning. Move the scanner around the object to capture the complete surface. When the scanned area turns green, it indicates good scan quality. Tap Complete to finish scanning and enter the post-processing page. Tap Fusion. A smaller resolution provides more detailed results, but requires a longer processing time. Tap Apply to start Fusion. Tap Mesh. A higher number of triangles creates a finer mesh, but also increases the saved file size. Tap Apply to start meshing. Tap Texture to generate the complete textured model. Next, we will demonstrate marker-free laser scanning. This mode is suitable for high-accuracy scanning of objects that cannot be applied with markers. Connect the computer to Pika using a data cable, launch the scanning software, and enter the scanning workflow. Select Blue Laser Mode gives without markers, then create a new scanning project. Scan the marker-free object to capture surface data in real time. After scanning is complete, proceed to the data fusion processing stage. Complete the meshing process to optimize model boundaries and surface details, and output a high-quality 3D model. Next, we will demonstrate the PC infrared scanning workflow. Combined with the AI retexturing feature, it enables the generation of high-quality colored 3D models. Switch the scanner to Wi-Fi mode, and connect it to the PC scanning software. Create a new scanning project. Enter the wireless infrared scanning mode, and start capturing 3D data of the object. During scanning, the system captures data in real time and generates a complete 3D model. Complete the fusion process to optimize the quality of the scanned data. Generate a complete watertight model through the meshing process. Enable the color mapping feature to restore the realistic colors of the model. Prepare photos of the target object in advance for AI retexturing. Click AI retexturing, and import the object photos as texture references. Use the target object photos captured with a mobile phone in advance. AI intelligently optimizes the texture details of the model to generate a more realistic colored 3D model. This concludes the Creality, Pika unboxing and scanning demonstration. Subscribe to our channel to learn more scanning tips.